Other bandaging techniques. Bandaging technique. Leg bandage. Ask the victim to immobilize the leg. Use the other leg to immobilize the injured leg. Using two triangular bandages, fold the narrow bandage. Without moving the victim's legs, insert the triangular bandage below the knee. Insert the second triangular bandage above the ankle. Once all the bandages are inserted below the victim's legs, continue by tying the bandages using the reef knot. Tying shouldn't be too tight or too loose. Ask the victim to immobilize while waiting for help.